All right, guys. I got something new today. And here she is. This is the first one I've ever gotten, but this is the AR-15 Springfield Saint Victor. And here she is. Oh, so pretty. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. I got her a few days ago, and since I've gotten her, I've installed two things. One of them being this little finger hook. And the other one being that. You see that? I ordered this. I think it's called the Matrix. And just to fill in these holes, this sucker right here, I thought I was ordering 3 of them. I thought it came in a pack of 3. But it's only one that came with this. This little piece right here was $28. No. I will not be ordering any more of them. And you only get one. So I think I'm gonna look at Magpul or somewhere else for more of these. Because I don't really like having the holes all over the place. The M-locks. All of this is M-lock. And the Springfield Saint, take this off. You see the logo, Springfield Saint logo. But here she is, in all of her glory. Very nice gun. I have not shot her yet, but I hope to bring her out to the camp this weekend and put some rounds through her. I went and bought about 900 5.56 rounds. So I got plenty of ammo. And we got a adjustable stock. Very sturdy, no wiggle. And we have a, wait a minute. Clear. So we have a really nice flat face trigger on here. Let's see. And this is what, oh, let me turn it around. This is what the trigger, boom, that's it. Go, suckers, crispy. Charge, and here's the reset. Ooh, I mean, that's, my finger didn't travel nowhere. And it's ready to go again. Boom. Wow. Wow. So, like I said, this is my first AR-15. I have some other guns, some rifles, deer rifles and shotguns, but this is my first semi-automatic weapon. Besides my 22. I have a little semi-automatic 22. 10-22. I ordered some QD sling mounts to install a sling, and I think I'm gonna set up a 2-point sling system. And it comes with these iron peep sights. They're pretty nice, but I don't think I'm gonna be using them. They pop up just like this, made out of metal. Really nice sights. Everyone wants me to put a red dot on, but I think I'm gonna put a scope, 1x10, which is very rare, or I can't seem to find any good 1x10s. Lots of 1x8s and 1x6s, but not too many 1x10s. But that's what I'm looking for, or something close to it. And I'm gonna put the scope on and have some fun. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you my first ever AR-15 unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon.